My dear viewers, my greetings and also my wishes to all of you watching my channel, that is Jacinda Spoken English channel, with many videos and shorts also. Everything helps you in many ways, helps you and me in many ways to make our day-to-day dialogue an excellent one. So please go through these videos, watch them carefully, listen to the videos, and try to take down some words and phrases and also questions and answers which that can be used in our day-to-day dialogue. Now, regarding some negative words, nothing. No. Did you see that here? Did you find an insect moving about or a snake crawling? Nothing was seen. Did you see a pen here? No, nothing. I didn't see anything. For that, we say nothing was seen here. Negative word, nothing. No. Did you go for shopping this morning? No, nowhere I went. I was just remaining at home, doing my homework. I didn't go anywhere, we can say, or nowhere I went. Nowhere is the negative word. No, nothing, like nothing, nowhere also to speak about the places. Nowhere I went. And then, did you meet my friend last evening? I didn't meet anyone. We can also say, I met no one. No one was there. No one was seen. No one was found there. No one was invited. No one was called for. In that way, to speak about the persons in the negative form, we say no one. Nowhere means about the place. I could find him nowhere. I could find my friend nowhere. Oh, nothing was left there. No, nothing. Nothing was seen. Nothing was left. I kept some chocolates here. Did you see? See anything? Nothing was seen there. Nothing was on the table. Listen. So we talk about nowhere, no one, then nothing. And all these are the negative words. We can simply say them as nothing was seen, no one was found there, nothing was left over there. No, I went nowhere. I could see you nowhere. I was looking for you. I was searching for you, my dear friend. I could see you nowhere. So nothing was left there. Nothing was seen on the table. Then I could see no one at home. When I came around 3 o'clock, no one was seen. No one was found. I was ringing the bell, but no one came forward. No one was seen. So nothing, nowhere, and no one. All these are the negative words which can be correctly used when we know the correct usage of it, of those words. When they are properly used, we can use them properly in our day-to-day dialogue, making an excellent day-to-day dialogue. So watch these videos of Jacinda's Spoken English channel so that we can develop our day-to-day dialogue and make the day-to-day dialogue an excellent one. Bye for today.